Just a couple months ago, my sister opened up her own coffee shop in Madisonville, Kentucky. She decided to go with a bohemian style and asked me if I could crochet her some coasters for her shop. And today I'm going to be sharing with you the pattern that I decided to go with. The yarn I'm going to be using is from Dollar Tree. It is cotton yarn, 104 yards, medium size 4, and the crochet hook I'm going to be using is a 4mm. To start the project, form a magic circle and chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. Then we're going to place 13 double crochets in the center for a total of 14. Once you have 14 double crochets, we're going to connect the round by slip stitching in the top stitch of the original chain 3. And I'm going to tug on this back tail end to close the gap. And that is it for round 1. For round 2, we're going to chain 3 to get to the height of a double crochet. And we're going to work 2 double crochets in each stitch around for a total of 28. The first one might be a little tricky. To finish round 2, we're going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 that we originally did. And that's it for round 2. For round 3, we're going to chain 3 to get to the height of a double crochet. And we're going to alternate around 2 double crochets in the first stitch and 1 double crochet in the next. This is going to increase our work. So just work 2 double crochets, then 1 double crochet, and repeat that around. Here I'm toward the end. I'm going to place my last double crochet. And I'm going to slip stitch to complete the round. And that is the end of round 3. The next round and final round, we have double crochets, but there are gaps in between them. To start round 4, we're going to chain 5. This counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 2 space. Then we're going to skip a stitch and work 1 double crochet in the next. We're going to chain 2 to create a space. Skip a stitch and double crochet in the next. chain 2 again, and repeat that sequence around for 1 row. To finish the round, I'm finishing off with 2 chain spaces and slip stitching into that top 3rd stitch that we originally did. And all I'm going to do now is finish off the project by pulling up a loop, finishing off the yarn, and pulling that tail end through the loop to secure a knot. You can use your crochet hook or a needle to hide that strand, but you don't want to cut it off right away in case your project unravels. And we're going to do the same thing to the back side. All I'm going to do is take that tail end and create a loop so that I can knot this off and trim it. And your coaster is all done. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share your creations with me on Instagram. I love getting messages from you guys. Just find me on there at The North Stitch and send me your creations, and I will give you a shout out in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching.